Namaste and welcome to our channel Yoga at Ganga. Today in this video we will learn how to do the front split, also known as Hanumanasana. In Hanumanasana there are specific muscles which you have to work on, which are the quadriceps, the hamstring muscles and the muscles around our hips. So let's begin the practice. I will let you know some postures that will help you to attain the Hanumanasana. The first posture is standing forward bend, also known as Uttanasana, intense stretch pose. So inhale, first take your arms over the head and then gently exhale and bend forward from your hips. Yes. So in this posture, go till the ability you can. If you want, you can little bend the knee and make sure you do not stretch too much your back. Back should be relaxing, but your more focus is on the back of your leg to stretch the hamstring group of muscles. So staying in this pose for almost 8 to 10 breaths, which will be around for a minute, and then slowly inhale, come all the way up, extending arms over the head, and exhaling, releasing the arms. So after doing this pose, one can keep the palms on their waist and then slightly arch back. Just a counter posture to balance it. For 2 to 3 breaths, not so much, because we again go for the next forward bending. Slowly inhale, come in the center and exhale. The second posture is Purvottanasana. From the front side, take your left foot back 1.5 feet. Yes. And your left foot is 45 degrees in. Yes. Squaring the hips on your right side with the navel facing to the right big toe. Inhale, roll the shoulder, first look up. Exhale and gently bend forward. Make sure your both hips are even while doing this pose. Maintaining the posture, one can hold the waist or can hold the elbows and lengthen the spine. In this posture also we are doing the same, working on the hamstring group of muscle of the front leg. Doing this pose on both sides for equal length of time. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, place your foot forward and release. So the third posture that we have to practice is Ardha Chandrasana, also known as half moon pose. So sitting in Vajrasana for it, stepping your right foot forward. Yes. So the right foot is forward. Make sure your distance in between both the feet is good enough so you feel the stretch in your groins. And maintaining this posture, arching the back slightly and pushing the hips downward. So you feel the stretch in your front thigh. This time we are working on the front thigh. Maintaining this pose also for 8 to 10 breaths. Then from here you can change this position. With the other side also you do the same posture and then do it and release and come into the Vajrasana once again. Thunderbolt position, Vajrasana. Good. The fourth position that we will do is Rajkapotasana. So from the Vajrasana position, bring your right knee in between your palms, out. Maintaining this. Now once again we are working on the front thigh here. Make sure your hips are even and you feel the stretch. If it is difficult to sit in this posture, keep the block under your front leg buttock. Maintain for 5 to 10 breaths and then slowly release it and do it also on the other side. Now how to release this pose? From here, release the leg and come into the Vajrasana once again. And relax. The last, we will go for Hanumanasana practice now. Stepping your left foot forward and then slowly stretch your left foot forward, sliding it forward, adjusting yourself. It can be you cannot do the final pose completely. You can stay in the middle position, slightly come up in this position and maintain the position. And what you have to do, you have to take the weight slightly backward so that you feel the weight on your groins. Otherwise the hips and the stretching on the hamstring and the quadricep will be not there if you are leaning forward. So what you can do, using the blocks under the palm. If you can do the final position, slowly, without jerk, very slowly you go for this final position and then slowly extend the arms over the head. Gently release the arms and then slowly release the pose and come into the Vajrasana once again and relax into the child pose. So I hope you understand how to get into the Hanumanasana position step by step. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.